Hello, hello, hello. This is B Sky. Hello, hello, hello. How about this chick right here? Bravo, bravo. Joy doesn't want to be called Joy anymore. And she has had the government of Panama to break up Nature Boy little game. Good chess move. Good chess move, Toy. Man, you have went over there and stirred up the soup, honey. You have the soup boiling right now. That chess move you played, ooh wee. You did that, baby girl. You did that. I bet you won't be a velvet and come back again. I bet you will keep your money now. This girl, they said she has some mental issues. Whatever they are, they're just emotional. Because she is so intelligent and has made black women proud everywhere. We salute you, my queen, because you came from a queen. Some of them women didn't come from a queen, nor do they know their father. Hello? Some of them women over there are a little weaker because they're a little slow. Some of them women over there don't have nowhere to go and don't want to work. So they use their thing between their legs. Oh boy. Velvet is not the queen. This is the queen. Right here. Has a strong mind and soul. And realized that she was raising a little princess. And said she had to go. Bravo, bravo, bravo to this queen, honey. Because you have stopped them from getting ready to go to Africa. At least that's the rumor, allegedly. Africa costs a lot more than Panama. It costs a lot more in Costa Rica. They do not know if they go to Africa how short time can be as in life. But they will find out because, see, there is a God. There is a God for these demons. And this woman here proved that demonic force couldn't get her. It couldn't touch her. This baby doesn't have a mental problem. This woman, this queen, she experienced something because she's young. But now she's a woman, a full woman, because she has birthed a seed. And a woman that's a queen will protect her seed from father, demons, or anyone else. She would die for hers because that's what we queens do. So those that's over there are not queens. That's how they can leave their babies with strangers. They can leave their babies where the abuse happened to them. They can leave their babies. So those are not mothers. Hello, hello, hello. You are saluted by B Sky. Go, girl.